The Big Brother 27 house has officially entered week 11, and the game has reached the point where every decision carries massive consequences. At this stage, a single wrong move could mean the difference between sitting in the final two or heading out the door as a bitter jury member. The new head of household has secured the most important power of the week, and all eyes are on what strategy they will use to maintain control. The question is simple but critical. Should the hoe backdoor their target, or play it safe with straightforward nominations? With spoilers coming in from the live feeds, the debate over how this hoe manages their reign has become the hottest topic among fans. Many believe a backdoor is the smartest route to ensure that the biggest threats in the house do not slip away unscathed. The concept of a backdoor is one of the most iconic strategies in Big Brother history. It involves putting two pawns on the block during the initial nomination ceremony, while keeping the true target hidden. The goal is to make sure the target does not get the chance to compete in the power of veto competition. If the veto is used, the hoe can then name the true target as the replacement nominee, effectively blindsiding them with little to no chance of saving themselves. This move has created some of the most memorable moments in Big Brother history, from Janelle Pierzina's legendary blindsides to Dan Giesling's cutthroat tactics. Week 11 is often the perfect time to use this play because by now, the house is smaller, and each eviction has a direct impact on who gets it to finale night. This week's hoe knows that the pressure is on, and fans have already started speculating on who the true target might be. On the live feeds, alliances have been shifting rapidly. What was once a solid majority alliance has now fractured into smaller groups, with some houses plotting against each other while pretending to stay loyal. Trust is at an all-time low, and paranoia is running rampant through the house. If the hoe wants to make a bold statement and set themselves up for the endgame, a backdoor could send shockwaves that redefine the trajectory of the season. The key to pulling off a successful backdoor is secrecy. If word gets out too early, the target could rally votes, expose hidden alliances, or even flip the house in their favor. Right now, rumors suggest that one of the biggest physical competitors in the house may be the intended target. This player has dominated competitions throughout the summer, making it nearly impossible to get them out if they are allowed to keep playing in veto challenges. By backdooring them, the hoe would remove their biggest obstacle to reaching the final three. On the other hand, there are whispers that a strong social player, someone who has been quietly influencing decisions behind the scenes, could also be in the crosshairs. This houseguest has avoided the block for weeks and has built strong relationships with nearly everyone, making them a dangerous threat. Fans online are already divided. Some are praising the idea of a backdoor because it guarantees that the most powerful player cannot save themselves. Others argue that it is too risky this late in the game. If the hoe tips their hand and fails to execute the backdoor, they could end up with a furious enemy who will stop at nothing to take revenge. History has shown that failed backdoor attempts often come back to haunt the hoe. For example, in past seasons, houseguests who revealed their targets too early often found themselves evicted the very next week. The nomination ceremony in week 11 was crucial because it revealed whether the hoe was willing to take risks or preferred a safer path. Instead of putting their true target on the block, they nominated two pawns, signaling that a backdoor may indeed be the plan. The pawns were understandably nervous, knowing that sitting on the block is never safe in Big Brother. However, the hoe reassured them that the plan was not to send them home, but to set up a bigger move. This reassurance has given fans hope that one of the most exciting backdoors of the season might be on the horizon. The veto competition is the make or break moment for the strategy. If the target gets randomly selected to play in the veto, the entire plan could unravel. That is why the hoe is walking a tightrope, balancing secrecy with careful planning. If the veto is won by the right person, the hoe will finally have the chance to pull the trigger on the backdoor and shake up the game. If the wrong person wins, however, the hoe may be forced to settle for a less impactful eviction. That uncertainty is what makes this week so thrilling for fans watching from home and following every detail on the live feeds. Social dynamics in the house are also shaping this decision. Several houseguests have started campaigning hard to convince the hoe to go after their preferred targets. Some want the biggest competition threat gone, while others are pushing for the elimination of the social mastermind. The Who must navigate these competing agendas while keeping their own endgame in sight. At this point, the jury is already forming, and every eviction will leave an impression on those who will eventually vote for the winner. Making a bold move like a backdoor can impress the jury by showing strong gameplay, but it can also alienate them if it comes across as too ruthless. This is where timing becomes everything. Backdooring a target in Week 11 could secure the whole spot in the finale by eliminating their most dangerous rival. On the flip side, it could paint a massive target on their back for the following week if other players view them as too powerful. That balance between risk and reward has always defined Big Brother's strategy. Do you take the shot now, or do you wait and hope someone else does the dirty work? For this Who, waiting may not be an option because every remaining player is a threat in some way. As fans debate the possibilities, Big Brother historians have pointed to past seasons for context. In multiple seasons, a well-timed backdoor in the final weeks has catapulted a player to victory. In others, the move backfired spectacularly, leading to the HOH's eviction. That unpredictability is what keeps Big Brother so compelling even after nearly 3 decades on the air. Viewers know that no matter how carefully a plan is crafted, there is always the possibility of chaos disrupting it. Another factor to consider is the role of alliances. Even though the season is deep into the game, secret deals are still alive and well. Some house guests have quietly promised loyalty to the Who, while secretly plotting against them behind closed doors. If the Who goes through with a backdoor, they will have to rely on those alliances to secure the votes to evict the target. But can they really trust anyone this late in the game? That question has haunted nearly every Who in Big Brother history, and Week 11 is no exception. The reaction from the live feed audience has been intense. Social media is buzzing with speculation, theories, and heated debates. Some fans are calling this the most exciting week of the season because it could finally determine who is in control heading into the final stretch. Others are more skeptical, arguing that if the Who does not follow through with the backdoor, it will go down as one of the biggest missed opportunities of the summer. Either way, the decision made this week will shape the narrative of the season's endgame. In the days leading up to the veto ceremony, every conversation in the house has been scrutinized. Fans are analyzing body language, tone of voice, and even whispers in the background to figure out what the Who is really planning. That's the magic of Big Brother. It's not just a competition, but a constant psychological game where deception is just as important as strength or endurance. The Who knows that all eyes are on them, both inside the house and outside among the millions of fans who are hanging on every development. If the Who goes through with the backdoor and succeeds, it could become one of the defining moments of Big Brother 27. It would prove that they have the courage to make a game-defining move when it matters most. It could also solidify their case for the jury, showing that they were not afraid to take out a major threat. On the other hand, if the plan fails or if the Who gets cold feet, it could set the stage for one of the most dramatic blindsides of the season, with the Who themselves becoming the victim in the following week. As the week continues to unfold, fans should prepare for fireworks. The tension in the house is building, the paranoia is skyrocketing, and the drama is about to explode. The decision to backdoor or not to backdoor will ultimately determine not just who goes home in Week 11, but who positions themselves best for the final weeks of Big Brother 27. The stakes could not be higher, and the live feeds are already proving that this is one of the most pivotal moments of the entire summer. In conclusion, the Week 11 Who is standing at a crossroads that could define their entire season. The backdoor option is risky, dramatic, and full of potential rewards. It is the kind of move that fans remember for years, the kind of move that can win or lose the game. As spoilers continue to emerge, one thing is certain, the drama of Big Brother 27 is far from over, and this week could be remembered as one of the most explosive turning points in the show's history. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.